Akro Mill's Akro Tilt trucks are versatile tipping trucks for your heavy-duty jobs, perfect for bulk and waste handling applications. Fork pocket models include heavy-duty welded pockets for stabilizing the tilt truck when lifted by fork trucks. The welded pockets allow for easy transportation and lifting of the trucks, increased productivity, and reduced transport time. The fully welded and reinforced frame is optimized for automatic dumper applications. The frame is powder-coated for enhanced appearance and rust protection. Available in 14 models, 7 with welded fork pockets.